Do your paintings look like this? You might have noticed that using the same hue for shading and lighting can sometimes lead to artwork that appears dull and unappealing. In this tutorial, we'll explore a fundamental concept that can make a difference in your art. One common mistake many beginners make is to use the same hue for both shading and lighting, which can result in lifeless, flat-looking cloth. And in reality, shadows tend to appear cooler while areas exposed to light appear warmer. In this example, I've chosen to shift the hue to a cooler color for the shadow areas, and in this case, I've gone with a shade of purple. This subtle shift in hue adds depth and realism to the fabric, making it visually captivating. For the lighting areas, it's crucial to use warm colors. In my example, I've selected a gentle shade of light red. This choice reflects how natural light interacts with cloth, warming it up and giving it a lifelike quality. To make your drawings even more interesting and dynamic, consider adding an undertone. An undertone is a vibrant color that peeks through the fabric. This color makes your cloth look more alive and engaging. Experiment with different undertone colors to see what works best for your particular piece. Now, to really bring out the softness in your cloth, you can use the blend tool. However, it's essential not to overdo it. Overblending can make your drawing appear muddy and you'll lose the texture that makes cloth so interesting. Here is a short example of a speed paint of how I added shadows and lighting to this girl's hair. One thing to keep in mind is that how light appears on an object really depends on the material and texture of the object, and the change is the result of how the light affects it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art-related content. Bye!